If you want to create this class effect in just 1 minute, then you click the right video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this class effect in Photoshop in just 1 minute. Now, without wasting any second, let's begin the video. Now we start with the easy one, and that is this class effect. And to create this class effect, let's start the process. So first of all, we have to create a rectangle. So we start with creating a rectangle with white stroke. And after creating this, you have to just remove its edges, and after removing its edge, you can just copy it by clicking Ctrl+J. And after copying, you have to just enable its fill and disable its stroke, and the fill is of white color. And after doing that, you have to just decrease the opacity so that you can make it transparent like a glass. After adjusting the opacity of the rectangle according to your will, then you should make a layer mask of the lower rectangle that has only a stroke. And after creating the layer mask, you have to just choose brush and erase it from its wall side to make it more realistic. And if you want to move this class effect, then you have to just select both the layer and you can move it with the help of move tool. You can also resize it according to your will. So this is the process of creating this glass effect. Now if I want to use this logo in this glass effect, so first of all I will remove the background, and after removing the background I will make it a little bit larger. Now I will apply motion blur in this to make it more realistic. You can also decrease its opacity if you do not feel that it looks more real. Now we will create this glass effect. To create this glass effect, you have to just add a background on which you want to add this type of glass effect. So let's begin the process. Now you have to create a copy, and after creating a copy, you have to just make a rectangle of any color, but you have to make its edges smooth. After creating rectangle, you have to just press Ctrl+Alt and drag it on the second layer. And after doing that, you have to just disable the upper layer. And after doing that, you have to just apply Gaussian blur on this layer. And do not increase its radius too much. Its blur radius should be at 5 to 10. You can adjust it according to your thumbnail.